Hey everyone, welcome back to Malikose Studio. Today we've got something special in store for you. As a longtime World of Warcraft fan, I've recreated the iconic Scarlet Crusader's shield in Blender. So, sit back, relax, and join me on this journey as we dive into the world of gaming and art. Let's take a closer look at the Scarlet Crusader's shield. It's a symbol of the righteous, the defenders of Azeroth. The attention to detail, the lore, and the nostalgia this shield carries are just incredible. Now let's jump right into the creation process. As I mentioned, this isn't a tutorial, so I won't bore you with the technical details. Instead, I'll take you through the fascinating journey of recreating this piece of art. Watch as the shield comes to life through Blender's magic. During the creation process, there were some interesting challenges, like recreating the intricate designs and perfecting the color palette. It's not always smooth sailing, even for experienced 3D artists. Now, let's apply those textures. The textures give the shield that authentic, weathered look, as if it has seen countless battles in the hands of a Scarlet Crusader. The right lighting and rendering are crucial to bring out the beauty of our 3D model. Let's make it pop, just like the Scarlet Crusader does on the battlefield. And there it is, folks, the Scarlet Crusader's shield, recreated in all its glory. I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me today. This project was all about combining my love for World of Warcraft with my passion for 3D art. If you'd like to see more gaming-related art or have any suggestions for future projects, please let me know. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Malikose Studio for more exciting content. Until next time, keep gaming and creating. See you soon.